Good morning, 10th class students. Today we will solve the questions of the exercise. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower, which is fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building, are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation. First we will draw the diagram here from a point on the ground. So this is a, let us suppose that this is a point on the ground and this is a 20-meter high building, that is AB building, 20-meter high building, and a transmission tower fixed at the top of the 20-meter high building. Here transmission tower, let us transmission tower, that is point C. The angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower. This AC is a tower. AC is a tower, and find the height of the tower, and we have to find the value of AC. So because this is a tower which is fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. AB is a 20-meter high building and top of the building point C, and on a building a tower AC is fixed. Then angle of elevation of the bottom of the tower point A and top of the tower point C with the point on the ground. Let us suppose point here D. Elevation, you know, elevation from top, bottom to top, and depression from top to bottom. Here this is a diagram with the angle 45 degree and angle with 60 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. So let AB be a building with 20-meter and AC is a tower. So because since building is a vertical, therefore angle ABD equal to 90 degree, and according to figure, angle ADB, angle ADB equal to 45 degree, and angle CDB equal to 60 degree. Now in ADB, triangle ADB, tan 45, tan theta equal to perpendicular over base, and perpendicular ADB is AB and base DB. Tan 45, we know that the value of tan 45 equal to 1, and AB is 20 and DB as it is. By taking cross multiplying, DB equal to 20 meter. Next, in triangle CDB, tan theta equal to, theta means 60 degree, and here CDB perpendicular is BC and base is DB. Perpendicular BC and base is DB, and at value of tan 60 root 3 and BC as it is, and DB. By taking cross multiply, before cross multiplying you can put the value of here DB, because DB is 20. Then cross multiplying BC equal to 20 root 3. Next, because BC can be written as AB plus AC, and value of BC is 20 root 3 and value of AB is 20 plus AC. Then 20 root 3 minus 20 equal to AC. Taking 20 common, root 3 minus 1 equal to AC. So therefore AC equal to 20 root 3 minus 1. We can find the exact height of the tower by putting the value of root 3. We know that the value of the root 3 is 1.73 minus 1, and this will be equal to 20 multiply 0.73. The next, when we multiply this 0 6 14 14.6 meter, so this is the exact height of the tower. 14.60 meter is the exact height of the transmission tower. Thank you.